Welcome back to my channel. Stefan Wolf is here with another sharpening video. This week plenty of content because you all know we must stay at home. In front of me a new stone for me, but it's not a new produced stone, it's old stock. German Democratic Republic produced, so probably 35-40 years old at least. That was the tag. NILES Schleifkörper. Basically, in German, check the description box. I found some information about the company that produced this stone. It's a big boy, 10 inches by 2 inches by 1 inch, or 250 millimeters by 50 millimeters by 25 millimeters. Silicon carbide, ceramic bond, 180 and 320, so combination stone. And this is the information I have. Pores, plenty of water, seeps through the stone. I soaked it for about 15 minutes. You can see some water is holding up at the surface. Tramontina Professional, German, stainless steel, Brazilian made, 1.4110 if I'm not mistaken is the grade of the steel. Around 55-56 on the Rockwell C scale. As usual, starting with distressing the edge until I see continuous reflection of white, and with the grinding of steel from the edge, this reflection will disappear and it will be very usable sign when the apex is formed. You can see abrasive grain is released. It is not as rapid as northern crystalline stones in my opinion, but still the stone release abrasives with moderate pressure. Being so big, it's extremely easy to work on. 8-10 inch knives. Again, you can see on the tip there is no need to apply significant amount of force. Let's let the stone do the work. It will be interesting to try this stone with high carbide steels, something like CPM S90V or K390. And at some point I will do this, but first I need to get familiar with the stone. I have another of these stones. It's green silicon carbide, same size, but I did not have the time, to lap it to flatten the working surface. It works a little bit slow, it's on the slow side, but as I said, I do not apply significant amount of force. And when you are not careful, you can stab it. It's long, but it's narrow. I do not feel a burr. The edge looks uniform. Let's clean the mess. Give me a second. And the finer side. First, let's check the result from the core side. I can feel the tip area needs a little bit more work. And again, I'm sharpening with the plateau sharpening method, so my apex is not fully formed. I must say that the 320 side feels a little bit better, more uniform. And it does not release abrasive as easy as the 180 side, 183 side. But some abrasive is released, so both sides are on the softer side. I like how the stone is holding water, so 15 minutes of soaking is plenty enough. You can see again abrasive particles. And I do not apply force, more than 500-600 grams, probably less. You can see my fingers, that's abrasive particles and metal shavings. I like the scratch pattern. We are closer. Couple of finishing passes, and then I will create my bevel. Again, this long size is very useful. This is full 10-inch stone. And now I'm going to create my bevel. only the weight of the knife. That will do, I presume. Final inspection. And let's check. Plenty of bite. Basically, I'm happy with the result. Let's clean that mess before my girlfriend finds it. Tomato. I can see that the bite is there. So if you're looking for slicing, a coarse edge is a good thing to have. I think you can see that there is plenty of bite in this edge. Pretty long video. But it's a new stone and we have plenty of time to sit at home these days. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Again, vintage German Democratic Republic sharpening stone, silicon carbide 180-320, ceramic bond, relatively medium to soft, release abrasive pretty easy with moderate amount of applied force. So it will be interesting to see how it works with high carbide steels. You don't need to force the knife into the stone, let the abrasive do the work. For common stainless steels with carbon content around 0.6 to 0.8, around 55, 58 on the Rockwell-C scale, and with this big size, I think is a good find. Around €5 it cost me. It's a good addition to my Northern stones in the moments when I do not want to use oil and fancy some waterstone sharpening. It absorbs water, 10 to 15 minutes soaking is advisable. It holds the water pretty well. It's not like, let's say, my Swatcomet 320, 150, 320, which is really porous. The edge, the final edge is pretty decent. Again, stay home, stay safe, thank you for watching, have a nice day.